Visual Studio Code is a fantastic code editor out there. Most developers are using VS Code nowadays. The popularity of VS Code extensions amongst developers is the simplicity and suitable of this cool code editor, powered by several developers tools, debugging facility, code completion, support multiple languages, several extensions, and much more. Since VS Code is the best code editor out there for developers, we need to take advantage of the extensions, which can help you be more productive and code faster. Here are my personal 6 best Visual Studio Code extensions to improve your productivity. Number 6. Live Server. This extension helps you with a local server for development that has a feature to reload the page dynamically. This means whenever you save a project on VS Code, it automatically reloads on its own. Number 5. Bracket Pair Colorizer. While Bracket Pair Colorizer offers the most specific features, it helps a ton. With this extension, you can allocate matching colors to closing and opening brackets. This helps you to find the missing bracket and match them. Number 4. GitLens. Personally, GitLens is one of the powerful extensions on VS Code. It helps you view how and why the code lines were changed over time. You can get deep insights into how your code was evolved over time. If you don't like a particular settings, you can modify and customize the extensions according to your desired requirements. Number 3. To-Do Parser. This particular extension helps you to get out with the to-do parsing route on your project's working files, which makes it possible to parse to-dos of various lines and improve the workflow. Number 2. Projects. Yes, I love this one. This extension helps you to manage multiple projects with slots. If you work on, let's say, 4 projects, you can actually switch with those projects faster, which can 10x your productivity, no cap. Number 1. Code time. Having trouble tracking on how long you spend on your time coding? Well, code time helps you to track your active coding, means how long you have been coding actively, not how long you've been on VS Code. It can actually help you to be more productive and also improve your workflow as a developer. I hope you find this video helpful. Consider hitting the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.